Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, June 17th, 1999, 8 am. Do not become obsessed by certain words in the messages. It is good to be strict and to write as is proper, but your dictionaries have deficiencies. Rectify and make adjustments if necessary as to what has been said. It's the meaning of the comments that matters as well as their vibration. You have not grasped this well as yet. You who are involved in this work, you want to do your level best and we appreciate it. All these sentences, which can seem insignificant, are linked together and form a whole, capable of helping you in specific moments of your existence. These writings must nourish you and resonate in you like a friendly presence. They must enlighten you or, quite simply, reassure you. In certain circumstances of your life, you will have in mind what was said and you will be guided in your way of acting by what will emerge from your conscience. Often you want to do the right thing, but you go into directions that are not necessarily right for you or for the others. Who has the absolute truth? We give you this thread to help you through the twists and turns of life. In addition to your practice, we try to equip you as well as possible to face up to things using various means, including this form of teaching. Your libraries are full of books. Some read them and others don't. This daily message will become perhaps a fellow traveler easy to read. Such is our wish. Each day a different topic. Many have been addressed. Some of you will make good use of them. Such is our conviction. Babuji. Thursday, June 17th, 1999, 10 am. The medium says, Babuji, your scribe as long as she will be in a fit state to work. To set your mind at rest, you should complete the ongoing work. Once they are printed, you will see these writings from a new angle. You will rediscover them. When you wish, you may refer to the message of the day, message of the beyond. The writing will strike your heart. Your mind is receptive to this form of communication, and you have an advantage over those who are not receptive. There too, in the future, earthmen will actually have to know that parallel worlds exist. Mind should open up and understand that certain beings have paranormal perceptions, which enable them to communicate with entities existing on the other levels of consciousness. The time will come when you all will have to open up to these truths. There will always be reservations, but they don't matter. You who have the privilege to understand these phenomena, you should not linger over the reactions of people who are impervious to these ideas. Each one has their own ideas. You are privileged people. In ancient times, societies known as primitive were definitely more receptive to this kind of contact as well as many other possibilities, which you have not any more been benefiting from for a long time. So-called advanced civilizations have neglected these various aspects of human capacities, considering that these were wild practices. One day, these kind of values will reappear. There will be a thorough sweeping process to expunge useless aspects from the current teaching. Other values will be not only recognized but also respected and highlighted. Rejoice for being among enlightened people. Babuji.